Hello YouTube, it's a special day today. Yeah, this thing's a little dusty. Let me hose this off and then we'll start with the video. Okay, just rinsing it off. So I have to do it till I wash it. I got 1,000 subs today. Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching my content. And I'm going to celebrate by having an unboxing. You know what's here? I got the slotted and drilled rotors on this. The other side don't have a one. It has like a regular rotor I put on there because the caliper locked up and ruined the rotor. So it's time for a little unboxing to fix the problem. Okay, these came in today. They're from maxbrakes.com. Max Brakes. I got some slotted and cross drilled rotors and some carbon ceramic brake pads. Since these are the smallest, they're on top. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Okay, here are the pads. They're carbon ceramic. You can see right here. Real good shape. These are like the best pads you can get for the street, and they're low dusting, so I don't have to worry about a lot of dust kicking up on my wheels. And so they look like they're all in good shape, no damage. So now let's take a look at these rotors. Rotor here and one rotor under there. So I'm just going to open these up, see what it looks like. Okay, this looks pretty good. Let me just tear this out of the bag real quick. Okay, as you can see here, you have the cross slotted. That helps dissipate heat and brake better. And you got the hose right here, just the same. And they're slotted, they're vented, as you can see right here, for additional cooling and performance. They're up to like the factory spec. So it will work with your stock calipers. So that's one. So now let's see what the other one looks like. No damage on this so far, but it looks pretty good. So let's go to the next one. Looks like they're in pretty good shape. We'll take it out of the bag real quick. Okay. Look like they're in real good shape. No damage anywhere. That's it. I ain't got much time to put these on. I already have videos of putting on rotors and changing pads. So what I'm going to do with this is take it to the shop. I go to Mr. Rodriguez. He does great work, and he'll knock this out in less than 30 minutes. I'm gonna take this to the shop, maybe this weekend when I'm off, have them put it on. Then I gotta do the break-in thing that you gotta do with the brakes to set them in, and I'll be good to go. That's it for this video. More to come, and to all the people, thank you for 1,000 subs. It took about 2 years, almost 2.5 years to get here, but finally made it. Bigger and better things. One more thing. I noticed that 90% of my views are from people who are not subscribed. So I need to fix that. So if you like watching these videos and you're not subscribed, just hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, and you'll be the first to know when any new content pops up. It will really help me and the channel. Until next time, I'll see you.